All right, FT here, 492W. Going to do our final project rubric review here. It's project 6, your business plan. As you can see here, 96 points, 19% of your total grade. But again, each of the sections are things that you've already worked on from previous projects. So it's okay to copy, cut, and paste as we go there. First thing you got to do is a cover page. Just give me your business name, list yourself as the owner. You can add owners there if you want, and then the location of your business. 3 easy points to get started. Part 1 then, this is the human resources report that you did earlier. Just make sure you look at the titles there. You can see you'll go through your organizational design, TRI for that. Again, you can copy and paste parts from previous projects, project 3, project 4, as you use there. Again, and we want to make sure they're of quality. So look back and what your grading assessments were and any changes or suggestions, feedback that was given. Then you can see chapter 3, then we go to staff recruitment, chapter 3, staff selection, chapter 4 and 5, your staff training program you did, and then chapter 6 is the compensation and development. Again, 18 easy points. If you did a good job with your human resources project 4, then it's just making sure you clean that up and fit real nicely there. Part 2 is the recruitment, retention, and profitability. Again, TRA required for each of the numbered points. You can see the marketing section is 12 points here. The big piece there is talk about your marketing research, identify your target markets, and then talk about your marketing plan. Specifically there under that, though, you've got to take the 6 principles from Made to Stick and give me concrete illustrations of the 6 different principles in your marketing plan. And then last, an evaluation piece. Again, if you did the quizzes, essays, and the workshops with Made to Stick, you probably have these answered, and it's just making sure they all work together. Chapter 8 then is increasing sales. Again, use your project 5 research and analysis there. That's that competitor analysis. Chapter 9, customer service. Again, we talked about how important that is. This should be one of your main goals and part of your vision and values in your business. Chapter 10 is customer retention then. Again, you need to look at, you must have digital media methods included in that process. Chapter 11 then is the revenue and profit centers. Again, just talk about what is your number 1 revenue generator. We talked about as a cash cow. Describe that in detail. And then additional forms of revenue, or what we call additional profit centers. TRI for all of that, 27 points. Part 3 then is the biggest section. This is your operations, your management, facility management, and evaluation. Again, TRI for each. With the first one, chapter 12 in finance, you need to give me an example of an income statement. Remember, income statement is listing all your forms of revenue, then subtracting all the different type of expenses you would have. And again, remember, in that list of expenses, you need to talk about your tax considerations, federal, state, and local. That then, once you subtract the expenses, would be net income. This is monopoly money you've got. So just talk what matters, what year you're in. You can show a profit, you can not show a profit, but just go ahead and put in some numbers to make it as real as possible. Have fun with that monopoly money. Chapter 13 is your risk management then. So we've got to do the assessment. Now you use the certifications we talked about from the CPD and your risk management plan and evaluations. Chapter 14, how to maintain your facility. So it needs assessment and then your maintenance plan. Focus on preventative maintenance and then an evaluation again. Chapter 15 is the legal, health law, and insurance issues. We want you to go ahead and look at, specific to your business, what would be health law, current considerations for your employees and your clients. And then we've got to look into the future. What are some considerations? You want to anticipate what could happen with health law and where it's going. We've talked about that a bunch. Last would be insurance considerations for your business. What insurances do you need? Why? And then how you're going to apply them. Last, chapter 16 is that evaluation expansion. This is key. You can see again 12 points. You've got to do a location analysis of your customers and your client demographics. They should match up. Again, research on your population density of where you are putting your business, travel time to facility, and then socioeconomics of the area. And then finish up with future plans and goals of your business, where it's going. Again, 39 total points, so a big section, so make sure you finish strong here at the end. You can see you're just applying every one of the CPDs we did throughout the term, and hopefully with the research share, search and share, we got a lot of quality references and information, and finish with a great final business plan. Thanks.